In order to add event handlers, the first thing that I have to do is add an attribute class to the properties of this project. To do so, I'm going to right-click on the root, select Add, and choose Class. The first time that the Enhanced Team Site dialog opens, you can see the different Visual Studio installed templates that are available, which are specific to SharePoint. We have list definition, content types and web parts, we have modules, field controls, and list definition from content type. For the purposes of this project, I'm going to create a generic Visual C# project item, so I'll click on that tab, and then name this attributes.cs. When I click Add, it will add the attributes class at the bottom of the project. What I need to do is scroll down and then drag this up into the properties folder. I see that it's open, and I'm going to select all the code here and insert a snippet for attributes.cs. I'm going to select all by pressing Ctrl A, click on the Insert Snippet command. The snippets I use in this chapter are installed in the project folder on the desktop. What you'll want to do is copy those over into your personal Visual Studio Snippets folder. Choose Announcement Item Event, and then Attributes. Notice this class is using the system. I'll save my work, and then I need to add the folder and the class for the Announcement Item Event handlers that I'm going to add. To do so, I'm going to right-click in the root again, and choose Add, New Folder, and I'm going to call this folder Announcement Item Event. Then I'm going to add my class to the Announcement Item Event folder. I right-click, choose Add, choose Class, select the generic Visual C# project items, select Class, and then name this class Announcement Item Event. And click Add. Notice the Announcement Item Event is under the Announcement Item Event folder, and it is open in code view. I'm going to again select all by pressing Ctrl A, and then insert a snippet for the Item Event class. Notice this class is using Microsoft SharePoint. This is why we have to be on the server. We're taking advantage of the SharePoint DLL to do this work. Notice too that the target list is empty and the GUID is filled in for me. This GUID is important because it's the way that the solution generator recognizes the handler properly. The next thing I'm going to do is actually add the code for the item adding and item updating events. As I mentioned, the target list property is necessary in order for this event handler to work properly on the proper list. To get the target list, I'm going to double-click the Announcements folder and then open the schema XML file for the announcements list.